Hello everyone, I welcome all of you to the India Meteorological Department daily weather briefing. Myself, Arul, scientist. As on today, 12th June, let's see what are the weather features. This is the highlights. The extremely severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy is very likely to cross between the Manvi, that's a Gujarat region, and Karachi, Pakistan region near Chakhau port by noon of 15th June as a very severe cyclonic storm with a maximum sustainable wind speed of 125 to 135 km per hour, gusting to 150 km per hour. Heatwave conditions likely over Uttar Pradesh and east and north peninsular India during next 5 days. Also, the progress of southwest monsoon will be discussed. This is this extremely severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy. This is the history. It is started on 6th June as a depression over southeast Arabian Sea, and then it is within next 6 hours it has become deep depression. Then another 6 hours it became as a cyclonic storm named Biparjoy. Then on 7th morning it became as a severe cyclonic storm. Also on 7th evening it became afternoon it became very severe cyclonic storm. And then it was maintaining the same intensity till 11th. On 11th, 5:30 IST, it became extremely severe cyclonic storm over the east central Arabian Sea. As on the today, current status, as on today 12th, 11:30 IST, it became extremely severe cyclonic storm over east central Arabian Sea, and that is located here. And then right now the center is 310 km away from Porbandar and 340 km southwest of Devbhumi Devarka station and 430 km south of Chakhau port. This is the current situation, and this is the observed and forecast track based on today condition. We can see that this is the past observation from 6th to 12th. So and then this is the black one is observation. The red color shows that projected forecast. It will go go further northward, and then on 14th it will turn towards the northeast, and then it is crossing the Chakhau port on 15th around noon, this area. And this the green area shows that cone of uncertainty, and it has as I would like to mention that it has started on 6th as a depression, and then still it is moving, and then it will most likely to cross over the land at Chakhau port around 15th noon. So it's a 9-day lifespan. This is not the first case. In past Arabian Sea there are cyclones Gaja cyclone has 9 days lifespan, and then Gayar cyclone also it became 9 days lifespan in the past, and since it's moving 5 km per hour, it is taking nearly 9 days lifespan to reach the coast. And then as I mentioned, it will nearly move northward till 14th morning, then it is moves northeastward. This is the again observed and forecast track with the wind distribution. Here this observed track, the black dot shows, and then this is the forecast projected, and this color pattern shows the wind distribution, how much gusty winds will spread across. This green shows that more than 64 knot, which is more than 118 km per hour. This much wind distribution will be there, and then the gray area covers for the more than 52 to 61 km per hour. And on 12th June, as of now today here, this will go up to 165 to 175, gusting to 195 km per hour over the northeast and adjoining east central Arabian Sea, this region. And as on tomorrow 13th, that will go up to 145 to 155, gusting to 170 km per hour over northeast Arabian Sea, this region. And on 14th June, it will be 135 to 145, gusting to 160 km per hour over northeast Arabian Sea, and then most likely 40 to 50 km per hour and gusting to 60 kmph over adjoining areas of east central Arabian Sea. And on 15th June, where the landfall will happen, that's on 125 to 135, gusting to 150 kmph over northeast Arabian Sea and decreasing from that evening. And this is the district-wise warning for the Gujarat state. For the district like Kutch and Devbhoomi Dwarka, this region, and then Porbandar and Porbandar, Jamanagar and Jugaad, Rajkot, Morbi. These areas are given for the district-based warning. Here the orange color covers for the 55 to 65 km per hour, gusting to 75 km per hour for the 14th June, this region, and then this region, Dwarka. And then yellow warning has been issued for the these district with covering 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour. And this east side of the Gujarat covers for the this gray area, which covers for the 30 to 40 km per hour, gusting to 50 km per hour for the 14th June. And this is for the 15th June. 15th June, this is a red area covers for the like 125 to 135 km per hour, because that's a landfall will happen with that it's a very severe cyclonic storm. During landfall, this red region, this red district or covers for the 125 to 135, Jamanagar and Morbi and Devbhoomi, and then that this orange color shows that Porbandar and Rajkot for the 80 to 100 km per hour. The surface wind speed will be there, and then this blue region covers for the like a 50 to 60 km per hour, and then this gray area still persists for the 30 to 40 km per hour. This is for the 15th June. And this is for the heavy rainfall warning issued for the 14th June. Again over the district-based map, this heavy rainfall, heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over these are the region like Kutch, Morbi, Jamnagar, Dwarka, and Porbandar and Rajkot. These are the regions, districts to receive the heavy to very heavy rainfall, it should be like up to 20 centimeter. And this the green area covers for the no warning for the heavy rainfall. And this is for the 15th June. 15th June, this red area, red alert has been given over this Kutch and Jamnagar and Dwarka to receive the heavy to very heavy rainfall, and also at isolated places extremely heavy rainfall, which is more than 20 centimeter, because the landfall will happen. And then orange color has been issued over these districts like Morbi, Rajkot, Jugaad and Porbandar to receive the heavy to very heavy rainfall, which is up to 20 centimeter, like more than 12 centimeter. And yellow warning has been issued over these are the districts to receive the heavy rainfall at isolated places more than 6 centimeter. And this green area covers no warning for the 15th June. And this is for the 16th June. As by the 16th June, the cyclone will be passed over. So this has been reduced, the warning color become yellow, the Kutch and Morbi. Remaining area became green warning, and it is passes towards the Rajasthan, and then the remaining area like this area Patan, Meghasna, these areas are given the orange warning for the heavy to very heavy rainfall. And this is the tidal warning, astronomical tide on 15th. As of now, that these colors, the red color shows that up to 2.8 meter. The stations like Porbandar, on Porbandar it will be like on 15th it will be 2.6 meter. And Naulaki station shows that more than 7 meter wave height will be there. And then Okha shows that more than 3 meter wave height would be there. And then the Devnayal port should have more than 6 meter astronomical tide. And this is the damage expected as a multi-hazard, like a wind and then rainfall, thunderstorm, lightning, all the expected, and warning has been issued district for the district of Gujarat on 15 June. Total destruction of thatched house, expensive damage due to kacha houses, some damage to paka houses, and potential threat from flying object, bending, uprooting of power and communications poles, major damage to kacha house and puka roads, flooding of escape of roads would be there, disruption of railways, overhead power lines and signal systems, and widespread damage to standing of crops. Widespread damage to standing crops, plantation, orchards, falling of green coconuts, tearing of palm fronds, blowing down of bushy trees like mango trees and small boats. Country crafts may get detached from the mooring, and visibility of severely affected due to salt spray. And this is the fisherman warning issued for the next 5 days. This color coded shows that right now the cyclonic storms lines over the Arabian Sea for the next 4 days, given the fisherman warning with a gale wind speed of up to 160 to 180 km per hour, gusting to 200 km per hour, which shows this peak one, and then the green shows that squally wind speed with a speed of 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour. So total suspension of fishing operations over East Arabian Sea till 15 June and Northeast Arabian Sea during 12th to 15 June, and those who are out at sea are advised to come back immediately to the coast. And this is the monsoon advance. Like as on today, this blue line shows that 12th. This is the line covering the some part of North Karnataka and interior Karnataka, and then remaining part of Tamil Nadu, and then some part of the Andhra Pradesh, and then the line goes up to the northeastern states and some part of Bihar, Sikkim and West Bengal. This is the observed temperature, heat wave conditions. We can see that most of the regions covers more than 38 degrees Celsius, which is red, and then this UP and then Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh covers more than 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. Like we have seen, like we have observed very severe heat wave conditions at isolated places over Bihar, Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, and then heat wave has been observed over the Telangana, Jharkhand and West Bengal. And this is the synaptic system. We can see that the extremely severe cyclonic circulation shows here Biparjoy, and then western disturbance also, like right now at present over the Pakistan region, and cyclonic circulation lies over the east Uttar Pradesh and Bihar region at 0.9 km above mean sea level, and trough runs from this Isar to Odisha across the Jharkhand. And this is the wind warning for the weather warning for the next 5 days. We can see that orange warning has been issued over the Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal for the day 1 and day 2, which is valid for 12th and 13th for the severe heat wave conditions. And then heat wave conditions prevails over many parts of the country, like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha and Telangana for day 1, and for the day 2, which is 13th June, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha and Telangana, Chhattisgarh, and then for 14th remaining it is persist the same region for the heat wave condition. Heat wave conditions prevailing for the next 5 days over the same regions whatever I mentioned. And then extreme rainfall warning has been issued over with orange warning for the northeastern states for the day 3 and day 4, and then remaining days are also having the extreme heavy rainfall warning for the day 1 to day 5. This is the northeastern state. And when we are coming to the Gujarat, so Gujarat region heavy rainfall warning has been issued over all the day 5 up to day 5, and then orange warning is issued on the 14th June And then red warning, red alert has been issued over the Gujarat state for the 15th June. Because on the day, the landfall will happen. And again on 16th, it has been reduced to orange color, orange warning for the heavy rainfall. And also over Kerala, day 1 and day 2 heavy rainfall warning has been issued, and hailstorm warning has been issued over the Uttarakhand and Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh for the day 3 and day 4, that is 14th and 15th June. The rest of the parts covering for the yellow region for the lightning and thunderstorm and the strong surface wind up to 30 to 40 km per hour. So I would welcome all of you to watch our Mosam app, Domini app, and then follow us on social platforms. Thank you. Stay tuned.